So this video is about PHP GD library extension issue that you face when you are uploading image file into your Laravel or PHP application using xampp, wamp or lamp or anything PHP environment. So how to solve this? So basically, for example, if you type here my file, business, and then select the profile any picture, then save it. Then if you have a latest new xampp setup just completed, then you will be having this issue, that is image GD library extension not found. So how to solve that problem? So for that, go to your xampp, open config xampp wamp, then open php.ini, then search for Ctrl F, then G extension GD. So I have already removed the semicolon from here, so you will be having like this. So it will cause the error, that is GD extension error. To solve this problem, just simply remove this, then save it, then restart your Apache and MySQL environment. Then also you need to restart your server, PHP server. So that is the solution for GD library not found extension error for PHP application development.